You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
The Moto G 5G Plus is the most affordable 5G Motorola smartphone on the market right now, but leaked info has revealed that there will soon be an even cheaper model that ditches the Plus branding. A big battery to go with the big OLED screen. Codenamed Kiev and set to be marketed as the Motorola Moto G 5G across international markets, the smartphone in question boasts the new Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G chipset on the inside. The performance downgrade versus the Plus branded model, which is powered by the Snapdragon 765, should be minimal. On a related note, the chipset is supported by 6GB of RAM and 128GB of expandable internal storage. On the outside, the lack of Plus branding hasn't translated into a smaller package. Motorola has fitted the Moto G 5G with a 6.66-inch OLED screen, with support for a full HD Plus resolution, HDR content, and a 60Hz refresh rate. As per a leaked image, the switch to OLED also brings a centered punch hole, rather than one positioned in the left or right corner. Bezels, on the other hand, are exactly what you'd expect, slim with a thicker chin. Motorola has become known for its generous batteries in recent years, and that trend continues with the Moto G 5G specifically. It has been fitted with a 5000 mAh cell that presumably supports some form of fast charging. As for the software side of things, customers can expect Android 10 straight out of the box, although an update to Android 11 at some point next year is likely. Other features include NFC and a Google Assistant button on the international model. The Moto G 5G has a telephoto camera on the back. Smartphone manufacturers love to fit their cheaper models with loads of cameras regardless of their usefulness, but Motorola's setup includes at least two useful ones. The Moto G 5G boasts the same 48-megapixel main shooter as its pricier sibling. There's also an 8-megapixel telephoto camera, which is something you don't often find outside of the flagship segment, and a 2-megapixel depth sensor for bokeh shots. The latter's use is limited, but it allows Motorola to market this as a triple camera setup. On the selfie front, a 16-megapixel sensor has been selected. Motorola Moto G 5G announcement, release date, carrier availability. The Motorola Moto G 5G Plus hit shelves in the United States under the Motorola One 5G branding. Motorola has plans to offer the standard Moto G 5G in the US too, although it's unclear if there will be a name change. One thing that does seem certain, however, is Motorola's plans to offer the smartphone through Verizon. It'll ditch the Google Assistant button and will probably be a OU variant that can tap into Verizon's ultra-wideband network. There's no word yet on when Motorola will announce this product or whether other carriers will offer it, but an announcement at some point in November does seem to be on the cards. After all, it'd give both Motorola and its partnering carriers the opportunity to milk the holiday season for all it's got. Arriving alongside the Moto G 5G is likely to be the Moto G9 Power, although the latter isn't expected to be available in the United States and will instead be focused on Europe and other international markets. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.